Here's another Otis Gen2 MRL Traction lift at Corinda station. Oh, that was loud. Okay. Another Otis indicator. Door open button is a Dewhurst JUS95. But the go button in this one is a door open button flipped the other way. So that is a door open button with Dewhurst JUS95, I believe. There's our friend. This is very nice. I love this a lot. I really do. I've never seen a Gen 2 on the Queensland Rail network in my entire life. The doors open by starting slow and then they eventually make it quicker. Like I'll show you when watch. Yeah, it starts opening really slow and then it eventually makes it speed.